As the back-to-school gear gains momentum in the country, the letter by Education Principal Secretary Dr. Beleo Kipsang to his health counterpart Susan Mochache is the latest move in stepping up preparedness for reopening of schools. The Minister of Education is calling for immediate vacation of quarantine facilities that are educational institutions. This is specifically about at least 150 public primary and secondary learning institutions set aside to act as quarantine and isolation facilities. Kipsang says, and I quote, "Aware that some public schools were used as both quarantine and isolation facilities, we are requesting that these schools are vacated and fumigated by the 28th September 2020 to enable the heads of schools to prepare for eventual reopening." And just a day after she ordered all TSC employed teachers to report back to their workstations, Teachers Service Commission CEO Dr. Nancy Macharia has now directed teachers to roll up their sleeves ahead of the reopening. As they report, they are required to work with relevant stakeholders to ensure thorough cleaning of classrooms, offices, dormitories and all school amenities, and ensure that the same are in habitable condition for learners. Develop innovative strategies designed to offer psychosocial support to learners, prepare curriculum materials for curriculum implementation and delivery while upholding the Ministry of Health guidelines. Teachers have also been directed to properly share duties and responsibilities to protect staff with underlying conditions. The Kenya National Union of Teachers agreeing that teachers will have to do more when learning resumes.
And when teachers meet on Monday, they will be putting in place measures to ensure that schools are not only safe for learners, they are also safe for the teachers. Teachers who are vulnerable, we shall know them. We are a union and we can get reports of teachers who are affected and what teachers want. For example, teachers will ask, do we mark the textbooks of learners? Do we mark? And after marking, how do you sanitize? Those are questions, because you'll be dealing directly with the learners.
Parents expressing divergent views. Most, however, seem to be concerned about the possibility of being asked to pay school fees and the fear of spending huge chunks of money to see their children back to school.
Kwanza wametuconfuse, mara watoto wanafungua Januari, mara mwezi wa 10, sasa tunashangaa shule zinafunguliwa wakati gani? Watupe wakati mwafaka kwa sababu wazazi wengi hatuna pesa.
Kama ni hizi shule za msingi na za sekondari, tunaomba kama serikali inaweza ruhusu watoto wa kidato cha 8 na form 4 kufungua, kwa sababu wakati huu wakiruhusu shule yote kwenda kuanzia kidato cha kwanza hadi kidato cha 8, huenda tukakosa upande wa school fees.
After stakeholders meeting at the Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development to review the reopening plan on Monday, Magoa said time was ripe for children to resume school. And with teachers already reporting back to school to await the arrival of learners anytime soon, the guidelines issued by TSC intend to help them develop a new framework that will see them interact with their learners effectively in the COVID-19 era. Makori Ongechi, Citizen TV, Nairobi.